Everyone, what's going on? So let's look at Twitter. Twitter dropped over 24% here. And I was actually worried about Twitter stock, or I mean, I saw some red flags. This was the 27th, and I have it here on YouTube, right? I could show you here. 27th. And I mean, what I wrote down here is because of easy money, we have all these guys chasing IPOs. And I wrote down, I just look at Twitter and some of the red flags on its wacky price action and volume. If you want to go to like right over here, the 27th, notice huge volume spike that day. And the top was like, I don't know, 74.73, right? The day before, or the day of the volume spike, right? Yeah. And the day after, the 27th, I did a video. It must have been like at 11 a.m. Central Time. I think Twitter price must have been like 67 and change. And I said that, hey, you know what? There's a downgrade. I think that there's a lot of red flags. This thing's going to go down, in my opinion. And we've seen sideways trading from there. I mean, it even got to like 65 and change, I think, yesterday, right? Yesterday was Wednesday. Yeah, it actually was like 67 and change. So it was back to the level of where I raised suspicions about the stock, right? So if you want to look at what happened then, today, earnings came out. A lot of investors did not like the growth potential of Twitter. So as a result, stock went down. I mean, it went to 50. I know some traders got in at 50 and got out like 52, $53. Some technical analysts that I follow. But regardless, now we're starting to see a lot of problems emerge when it comes to some of these IPOs and some of these new stocks. And we have to look at the fact that it has gone 24% to the downside. Now let's look at another stock yesterday. And it's going to be 3D Systems Corp. I just typed it in. Notice how it was like $96, right? Close to its highs on the 1st, or excuse me, on the 8th of January. And 3D Systems Corp, it went down below, I don't know, it was like 54 yesterday. And everyone's saying bubble, bubble, bubble. And then what I did was I actually bought one of its competitors after 3D printing stocks got hammered just for a trade. I still own that stock. I'm not going to mention the name. But one of its competitors, I bought it. But anyways, you see it gone up in the last day after it hit 54. So I saw this huge volume spike. But I guess that's why people got in. But there are a lot of people saying that this stock and 3D printing is about to blow up. But regardless, this is the problem with easy money, right? You got a lot of people that are margined up like crazy. They're buying back stock. And as a result, the companies are buying back stock because they're not investing in the companies themselves. So you see all these outrageous PE multiples, and what happens? Well, sooner or later, you're going to see free market forces take place. People are going to say, you know what, we don't like what's going on. Or if they miss on earnings, then what happens if they bought back all the shares? Then their stock price is going to plummet. Just the way that it went up, it's going to take a hard fall. And we're going to start to see this happen slowly but steadily in the next few years, in my opinion. Could I be wrong? Yes. But this is the problem with easy money. You're going to start to see these kind of drastic moves. Even though the market's been up today, I do believe that there's going to be maybe a short-term rally, but overall, the technical analysts I've been following are indicating that it's going to be a slow but steadily move to the downside. We shall see if those technical analysts are right and whether I will be right as well, because I tend to agree that we're in a secular bear market and we're going to see the markets go down. Could I be wrong? Yes. Just always have to mention that, and that's why I always encourage you guys to do your own homework. But anyways, what my thoughts are, Twitter, and you see 3D Systems Corp going down like this, well, in the next few years, I don't think it's going to be like how the markets went from 2011 to 2013. Anyways, guys, talk to you later. Bye.